Efficiency in physics, particularly when it comes to energy transfers, involves some level of waste energy. This means that the useful energy output is typically not equal to the total energy input. When energy is transferred from one form to another, whether it be mechanical, electrical, or thermal, some of that energy is lost as waste heat. This waste energy is often the result of friction, air resistance, or other factors that cause the energy to be dissipated in a way that is not useful for the intended purpose. Understanding the concept of efficiency in energy transfers is important because it allows us to calculate how much of the total energy input is actually being used in a useful way. Useful devices are only useful because they can transfer energy from one store to another. The less energy that is wasted in the energy store, the more efficient the device is said to be. You can improve the efficiency of energy transfers by insulating objects, lubricating them, or making them more streamlined. By calculating the efficiency of a system, we can determine how much energy is being wasted and look for ways to improve the process to minimize that waste. You might not know the energy outputs of the device, but you can still calculate its efficiency as long as you know the power input and output. Useful energy output isn't usually equal to total energy input. For any given example, you can talk about the types of energy being input and output, but it is useful to remember that no device is 100% efficient, and the wasted energy is usually transferred to useless thermal energy stores. Electric heaters are the exception to this. They are usually 100% efficient. This is because all of the energy in the electrostatic energy store is transferred to useful thermal energy stores. Ultimately, all energy ends up transferred to thermal energy stores. Overall, efficiency in energy transfers is a fundamental principle in physics that helps us to better understand how energy moves through different systems and how we can work to make those systems more effective and sustainable.